Hello everyone, I'm here in front of 1720 building, a very beautiful 6 bed and 3 bath house with a very nice backyard. This house is located on 1700 blocks of Arlington Street. Temple University is a couple of blocks from here, 3 blocks to be exact. It is very nice and quiet area. As you could see, you have a lot of street parking in the area. Even though it's one way, there are a lot of plenty of spaces here. And the street you see over there is 17th Street. This is Arlington. The house I wanted to show you is this 1720. It is 3-story plus fully finished basement house. It looks beautiful inside. This is what it looks like the outside. Let's get in and see the inside part. Hey everyone, I just walk in to 1720 Arlington Street. Here you have this door to get in and additional door. You have, as you walk in, you have these 2 windows for the natural light. It has a bar for security, and the living room has this beautiful floor and very high ceiling, a recessed light, and it's a big living area. As you finish the living area, you have this beautiful open kitchen. The kitchen have upgraded countertop, a lot of cabinet space, double door refrigerator. Here by the kitchen you have also another window with, for a natural light, and it is an open floor. This is what it looks like from this end. In a kitchen, the current tenants are using this area as a breakfast area. You have nice size area for a breakfast area. Right by the kitchen, you have this door which leads you to the backyard. All right. Here you have this nice size backyard for a nice outside cookout, and it's fenced only for the residents. You can see the floor is full of leaves. It's because it's fall. The trees are shedding their leaves, but it will be clean when you move in. And back to the unit again. So I'm going to show you the next floor bedrooms. Here going up to the 2nd floor. You have, on this floor you have 2 bedrooms. The first one you see is this, the biggest one. This bedroom has 2 huge windows. The current tenant has a curtain on the window, so you cannot open it, but it will bring a lot of natural light to the unit. And this bedroom is really big. This is what it looks like from this end. You have a nice size closet space in this bedroom. Alright, as you walk out of this bedroom, here on the second floor, you see the washer and dryer. And this space is a nice size space where you can have your washer and dryer. The next is the bathroom. On this floor, you have a bathroom with a bathtub and shower combo. Shower has a nice tile wall. It's a deep bathtub. You have a toilet, nice floor, sink, and a mirror. It is a good size bathroom. You also have ceiling fan for the air. Next is the other bedroom on the second floor. This one is facing, the window is facing the Arlington Street. As you could see, you have a lot of natural light coming to the unit. It's Arlington. It is a little bit smaller than the other bedroom, but still big. It's very nice size. This bedroom also has a very nice closet space. Deep closet space. All right. Next will be the third floor. On the next floor also, we have 2 bedrooms and 1 bath. The first bedroom on the third floor is big in size. It has a beautiful floor, ceiling fan, a high ceiling, and also it has a lot of natural light, as you could see. 2 windows. And same as the second floor, this bedroom also has a closet space, nice size closet space. Then off to the next room, which is the bathroom. On the third floor, you have this tall shower. You have a beautiful tile wall, tile floor, toilets, sink. It is a very nice size bathroom. Next is the other bedroom. This is a little bit smaller than the one we saw earlier. You have 2 huge windows. You will be looking out to Arlington Street from here. This bedroom also has nice size closet space, ceiling fan. It's very bright, a lot of natural light coming in. This is what closet space looks like. Nice size closet space. Lastly, I will show you the lower floor. There are 2 bedrooms on the lower floor. Okay, here is the lower floor. This is the first bedroom. It has a nice size bedroom. It has a window, even though it's on the lower floor. It has 2 closet space. The big one is on my left. This. Here. On this floor, you also have a bathroom, stove, shower. Shower has very nice tile wall, tile floor, toilets, sink, and also a mirror. Alright, the last room I would like to show you is the other bedroom. You have a window over there, out of recess slides. You also have 2 closet space here. Here on my right, you have the utility closet. On my left, I mean. Alright, I just showed you a 6-bedroom house in Temple University area. It's a beautiful house with a nice backyard. Temple University is only a couple of blocks from here. Thank you for watching. Bye.